Hello again. In the previous video, we talked about the letter V that makes the sound V. In this video, we're gonna talk about something else. But first, let me ask you something. Do you love animals? Like the dog, the cat, fish, parrot? Do you love animals? Okay, as we said, animals have parents, right? Do you know that they live with their parents in a home? So our new lesson is about animals' habitat. Habitat is the home of an animal, okay?
Welcome to Kids Pages. Learn the names of animal homes. Anthill. Ants live in anthills. Beehive. Bees live in a hive. Cave. A lion lives in a cave. Den. A bear lives in a den. Shed. A cow lives in a shed. Chicken coop. Chickens live in a coop. Hutch. Rabbits live in a hutch. Kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Nest. A bird lives in a nest. Mouse hole. A mouse lives in a hole. Pigsty. A pig lives in a pigsty. Pond. Frogs live in a pond. Ocean. Marine animals live in the ocean. Sheep pen. Sheep live in a pen. Spider web. A spider lives in a web. Stable. A horse lives in a stable. Tree hollow. A squirrel lives in a tree hollow. Burrow. A hare lives in a burrow. Iceberg. A penguin lives on an iceberg. Desert. A camel lives in the desert. Tree. A koala lives in a tree. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a like. Thank you.
And here, let's try to match the animals with their homes. Look here, we have the rabbit. What do we call the home of the rabbit? It is called the burrow. So let's match it to the burrow. Here we have the sheep. What do we call the home of the sheep? Is it called the barn, the farm, the pond, or the pen? It is called the pen. So the sheep lives in a pen. Here we have the cow. What do we call the home of the cow? It is called the barn. Let's match it to the barn. And here we have the duck. The duck lives in the pond. And here we have the turkey. What do we call the home of the turkey? It is called the farm. So the turkey lives in a farm. Let's continue and see where different animals live. Look, here we have the bat. The bat lives in a cave. Can you see the cave here? This is called a cave. Here we have the ants. What do we call the home of the ant? It is called the ant hill. The ant hill, right? This is the ant hill. Here we have the sheep. What do we call the home of the sheep? It is called the sheep pen. Sheep pen. And here we have the bear. What do we call the home of the bear? It is called the den. Look, this is the den. And here we have the mouse. What do we call the home of the mouse? It is called the mouse hole. Look at the hole here. It is called the mouse hole. And here we have the squirrel. What do we call the home of the squirrel? It is called the tree hollow. The tree hollow. So the squirrel lives inside the tree. Thanks for watching, and that's all. Love you all.